Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by granting necessary permissions and opening the content you want to scan. First, make sure Safari can use your camera in settings and update the Google app so Lens is enabled. This ensures the tool appears when needed. Once done, open Safari to the web page or image. If it's an embedded photo, tap to focus it. You're starting the process now so you can call Lens from the browser without detours or repeated setup steps. Next, you'll actually call Lens and choose how to analyze the content. Tap Safari's share icon and scan the extensions for Google Lens. If it's missing, open the page in the Google app and use Lens there. Once Lens is active, adjust the focus box over the exact area you need text, product, or landmark, and pick the appropriate mode. Then tap Analyze. This targeted step makes results more accurate and avoids wasted scans. To finish, review what Lens returns and act on it. Copy text, follow links, translate, or save images. You can export or share findings to notes, email, or other apps right from the results pane. Make sure to try different modes if the first result isn't helpful. If something goes wrong, check camera permissions and app updates, then retry with a sharper or better lit image. This solves most issues quickly so you can complete the task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.